IP is found in this group, then this rule is true. The result you want to take is block the user and just raise an alert for whom this alert matters. And by raising and by saying that the action is this, we will see how this will kick in picture. But these are the rules. Now it could be possible, as uh, we are we are saying that two or more rules could be hold true or will be triggered. You can actually, what you can also define is, you can define your own combination here. Whatever rules you have defined there now, all those rules, the moment you say that I want to manage the combinations, this is the permutation and combination. You can say that if blacklisted devices found, that means that rule is triggered true, blacklisted IP is true, then you want to define your own score, say 500. You want to overrule the actions and the alert. You will say just allow the user and no alert should be raised. It means you can also configure the way rules are what action should be taken place when more than two or three rules are triggered, or even if none of the rule is been triggered, you can add, even with that you can actually handle your action and alert here. You can define multiple triggers combination here. One combination says that if device is blacklisted, if IP is blacklisted, then do this. Other rule could say if country is blacklisted, user is blacklisted, so just block the user. So what you actually did is you overruled the action and alert which is defined by that rule with your trigger combination.
Okay.
So this means, okay, one thing you need to remember, always remember, if you are defining a trigger combination, then that trigger combination will always kick in picture once all the rules are executed. Whether they are passed, they are failed, all the rules have been executed. Because the result of the rules will be checked by the trigger combination. We are only checking, see, here we are only checking the results now, that whether that rule is false or true, or it could be any. We are only checking the results. So rules will be, once all the rules have been executed, trigger combination, if you have configured, will come in picture, and that trigger combination will help you to define your permutation and combination, that what you want to execute if your set combination holds true, your own set of combination holds true. So you can overrule the result returned by that rule. So this will become the result of this policy in a checkpoint. That means the policy, this policy is saying that if blacklisted IP is hold true, blacklisted devices is found true, then this policy is saying just allow the user, and the score assigned will be 500. We will see what this score how this score will help us, or what this score will constitute to. But this way you can actually tell a checkpoint that the result of policy is this.